Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about how to use HARO to get free backlinks. But before we begin, please hit that like button to show us your support and help our videos reach more people. Now let's get started. Do you know how you can stand out among thousands of websites on the internet? You need to have good ranking on Google so that you can be discovered by your potential audiences. Once you build your website's credibility, your site will be shown on the top of search results. And this is what you need if you want your site to get more traffic. Backlinks can help you rank. HARO stands for Help a Reporter Out. It is an online service that connects journalists with a wide range of sources. It is an effective way to help you increase your brand awareness. Reporters can submit a request from HARO to find sources to create a unique blog post. Then the sources can provide relevant backlinks. To start using HARO for high-quality backlinks, you need to follow these simple steps. First, go to their website and register for an account. You can register as a journalist or as a source. Then click this button. Now you can view the plans available. The plans that you can choose from are their free plan, the standard plan, advanced plan, and premium plan. Choose a plan that suits your needs. Fill in your company details and register to start receiving emails. Under this section, choose your industry preferences. HARO will send you an email 3 times a day with queries and requests made by journalists. Now you can monitor queries and find out which are relevant to your business. Take note that you must respond to a lead quickly. The emails you receive can help you with choosing an opportunity. Choose the best leads. You need to check the backlinks sent to you. Check if they are relevant and valuable to your business. Pick the best lead that matches your goal. Make sure to do your research first before choosing the lead and find out their credibility and relevance to your business. Next, start making your pitch. Keep it concise and limited to a few hundred words. Each HARO pitch should contain the following information. The subject link. This will determine if journalists will decide to read your pitch, so make sure to make it catchy. Then write a short bio. You need to show off your credentials to journalists since they need expert answers. You may include your LinkedIn profile as well. Next, provide relevant details. Follow the instructions given in the query to provide an ideal response. You must include your contact information to encourage the journalist to contact you as soon as they choose your pitch. Practice patience when using HARO to get quality backlinks. You may not receive a response to your pitch yet. Articles may take a long time to get published. No need to follow up on pitches if you don't receive a response yet. If you need to rank at the top of the SERPs and drive organic traffic to any niche with the only SEO strategy that still works, we have a marketing app that can help you get leads using post influence. You can find tons of blogs and websites eager to post your articles. Get 100% organic do-follow links. Use ranking sites and no bad players or dead blogs. Automated email and SMS reach out. The full details on the sites using rank, traffic, and more. Get the email and phone number of bloggers and influencers. Post influence gets you new traffic with hands-free ease. Discover high-quality blogs and sites in any niche, inbuilt flow system, and automatically stop campaign when your prospect responds. Build listings for free, fresh backlinks 24/7, and support. It provides accurate information about blog ranking, traffic, and backlink value. Build an endless supply of backlinks from website that Google loves hands-free. Get backlink and guest post automation with inbuilt marketplace. Find the perfect sites to target. Outreach automation and trade in guest posts and links. So try Post Influence now. Go to getpostinfluence.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.